Fire pits make great places to gather as the weather cools down and the sun sets at the end of a long day, maybe with some drinks and s'mores, too. When shopping for a fire pit, you'll find there are plenty of options, including propane or wood burning, large bowl or small, smokeless or not, and you're left with a lot of choices. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 fire pits on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Outland Living Firebowl 883 Mega Gas Fire Pit. The Outland Living Firebowl 883 Mega is a great pick, striking the right balance of performance, budget, size, and looks, which is why it's our top pick for the best fire pit. We love how incredibly easy this fire pit is to set up and use. It arrives pretty much assembled, all you need to do is add the lava rocks and hook it up to a propane tank, which took us around 5 minutes total. Once assembled, it took us less than 2 minutes to start the fire, which is easily controllable with a knob that adjusts the height and intensity of the flame. This was particularly appreciated while roasting marshmallows as we could turn down the flame to ensure we didn't end up with a burnt mess. Although we'd like it if the flame could go a little higher for those really chilly nights, the fire pit gives off plenty of heat. Number 2. Stove Mesa Tabletop Fire Pit. The best fire pit for someone who doesn't have a backyard is definitely this solo stove mesa option we tested, as it's perfect for a small balcony or patio, given that it only stands 6 inches tall and takes up hardly any space. If you want a little ambience but don't have a large area outside to sit in, it's a great, affordable option that also comes in a bunch of interesting colors like deep olive, mulberry, and bone. We were still impressed with the heat it created. You can use small pieces of firewood to make this work but might be better off using wood pellets or Solo Stove's own mini oak pieces since they won't have to be cut down to size. It comes with a stand and a carry bag, and because the fire pit only weighs a little over a pound, it's definitely an easy option to take anywhere and store in a closet. Number 3. Outland Living FireCube 805 Propane Gas Fire Pit. If you're camping, backpacking, or RVing this summer, this Outland Living FireCube is one of the best options to add to your gear list. At a little over 22 pounds and 14 inches in diameter, it's both easy to store and to pack. It's CSA approved, which means it has passed a series of safety metrics, and uses a 20-pound propane tank cylinder, not included, but available at most hardware stores, rather than wood, which allows it to be used in places that have bans on campfires, although it's best to check with your campsite before you go. The kit comes with a pre-attached 10-foot hose, an adjustable regulator with a knob to control flame size, a cover/carry kit, and over 4 pounds of lava rocks to create a more realistic and flickering fire. It delivers a clean, smokeless burn and works quietly and in inclement weather. Number 4. Tiki Brand Retreat Smokeless Fire Pit. This rectangular-shaped option from Tiki is one of the best fire pits to take on the road with you thanks to its size, shape, and built-in carry handles. It also has a removable ashtray pan that you can easily slide out and dump into a trash can, so cleanup is both minimal and convenient. It comes equipped with a few useful add-ons, like a Tiki Brand wood pack that helps you create an instant fire, in under 5 minutes, that produces a flame with a 4-foot radius. It's quick to get a fire going, and when it starts, it won't bother neighbors with a large flame or a ton of smoke. It's a smokeless model. It also comes with a stand and a weather-resistant cover, which means you'll have everything you need to get started. Of course, you can continue purchasing the wood packs or use regular wood and kindling for similar effects. Number 5. Brio X Series 24 Wood Burning Campfire. Through our testing, we determined that the Brio X Series Wood Burning Campfire is the best fire pit for people who host guests in their backyard all summer long. If that's you, it's well worth the price. Made in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, this smokeless option uses double-walled construction to trap hot air in the gap between the walls and pressurized oxygen to essentially reburn it, creating a hotter and stronger fire. The double wall and the return that comes from it produce added oxygen, which allows the pit to burn its own smoke before it reaches you. While the brand doesn't claim to be 100% smokeless, it does give extensive tips on how to burn a fire with considerably less smoke than the average fire pit, like using shredded newspaper, cardboard, or resin-soaked pine at its base. A special aspect of the Brio is the use of Corten steel. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.